Let's talk about process control of the pump. We've talked about the spray gun. Let's talk about the pump a little bit.
The Autoquip developed in around the year 2000 an airflow control. It was originally developed for HVLP guns
Okay.
because an HVLP gun is looking for a certain air pressure at the cap.
And anybody listening right now, that's high volume, low pressure, just in case.
And depending on the hose, you have pressure drop in the air hose from the wall to the gun. And if you operate under pressure, you can have a different pressure at the cap. If you have a pressure regulator at the wall, the pressure regulator maintains the pressure at the wall.
Okay.
Doesn't really understand how much pressure drop there is to the cap. So using this airflow device, it would maintain airflow instead of air pressure. So if you change the fitting in the gun, the regulator at the wall, the airflow regulator, would adjust the pressure up to get the right air velocity.
Okay.
So there's a number of things that we use that for. Again, it was originally for HVLP gun, but there's many customers that have circulation systems with multiple colors and a different usage of the colors per a 24-hour period or per the week. So let's just say you have 10 colors, and those colors are, you have a one-shift operation and you spray each one of the colors once a day, so a little less than an hour for each one. So all the time that using a pressure regulator, like with the HVLP gun, you would have those pumps under pressure, what I would call spray pressure, the pressure that's necessary to deliver the coating to the tip at an adequate pressure to spray. And you would have the pump at a pressure high enough that the coating would typically circulate through a back pressure regulator back to the supply. So out of the pump, through the lines, pressure regulator, but it's doing nothing. It's under pressure, and it's going through this back pressure regulator, which is holding the pressure back, keeping the pump from running off, and shearing the paint. So if you continued with this type of system and you opened the back pressure regulator up to relieve the pressure so you didn't need as much pump pressure, the pump would run off. It would run at many strokes more than it's capable of running. So by using this airflow control regulator in conjunction with a pressure regulator, we made what we call a pump flow control. So the pump flow control takes a signal from an airflow switch or a color valve or something to tell it that the pumping system should be in spraying mode.